Today we will see a little bit of a revision of the earlier two videos which we discussed about the patterns and structures. So, I will show you how the drill has to be done in home and you follow that. So, let us go to the revision part now. See here, I go, you go, I will say, you repeat. I go, you go, we go, they go. This go we can substitute with any other verb also. I sing, you sing, we sing, they sing. But when it comes to, observe, this is a problem. He, any name, masculine name, any feminine name and any neutral gender, third person. When he comes, maybe Raj, Ram, Martin, Maslow, Robert, whoever it is. Robert goes, Nandini goes, it goes, he sings, she sings, it dives. So, I want, you want, we want, they want, he wants, she wants, it wants milk, the cat wants milk. Now, you see, come to this one. So, this first one we have seen. This verb you can substitute any other action word here. I read, you read, we read, they read, he reads. Observe this. She reads, it goes. I dive, you dive, we dive, they dive, he dives, like that. So, I go, do I go? Do I go? You go, do you go? We go, do we go? They go, do they go? Again observe, do I sing? Do I write? Do I listen? Do I want? Do I read? Do I play? Do I ride? Like that. But when it comes to this place again, he goes, does he go? Does he want? Does he read? Does he study? Does he ride bicycle? Does he go to market? Does she go? Does she advise? Does she help me? So, you see here, this goes actually means does plus go, that is the meaning, does plus go. That means, he goes, does he go? She goes, does she go? So, now come to the negative part now. Here, I go, I eat, I don't eat. I eat, I don't eat. Repeat. I eat, I don't eat. I sing, I don't sing. I read, I don't read. I rub, I don't rub. I paint, I don't paint. You don't play. You play, you don't play. You want, you don't want. We want, we don't want. They want, they don't want. They believe, they don't believe. Then observe here again third person singular. He likes, he doesn't like. She likes, she doesn't like. It likes, it doesn't like. She stays, she doesn't stay. It doesn't work, it works, it doesn't work. Here also you can substitute Joseph doesn't like, Joseph likes, Joseph doesn't like. Malini stays, Malini doesn't stay. Ram works, Ram doesn't work. So, this difference you have to observe. See, this can be mastered only by repetitive practice in places where language speaking atmosphere is not available. So, this is one way of generating more number of sentences and mastering the structures and patterns in English grammar. Now, let us come to the present and past part. See here, present tense we say I play, I close, I drive, I hunt, you play, you close, you drive, you hunt, you smile, you sell, you taste, like this. So here you see, we play, we close, we drive, we hunt, we smile, we sell, we taste. Again with they you can do it. But again observe when it comes to third person singular, he smiles, he plays, please repeat, he plays, he doesn't play, he closes, he doesn't close, he drives, he doesn't drive, he hunts, he doesn't hunt, he smiles, he doesn't smile, he sells, he doesn't sell. Similar fashion with she plays, she doesn't play, she closes, she doesn't close, she drives, she doesn't drive. Like that you have to use with this subject with all these verbs like that. So familiarity, that is one way of usage. As much as we use the language, that much familiar we become with the sounds and the structure and the grammar. That is the purpose of this type of exercises, where there is no natural atmosphere of learning the language, then we have to create the atmosphere to make the children to learn the language. So, children, you use more sentences like this, construct more sentences like this, then you will yourself find that after few months that the fluency comes and you do not have any hesitation to speak. Now, let us see the past tense now. So, I play is the present tense, I play daily, she closes the door in the night, we drive to school, we go for hunting on Saturdays, like that. I play, I played, past tense. You play, you played, we play, we played, they play, they played, he plays, he played, she plays, she played. So, this is the past tense structure. There are two types I will be talking to you later on. The regular and irregular verbs I will be training you a little bit later. Now, you see, I played, where major mistakes are committed in this when we come to negative part. I played, I didn't play, but mostly we observe students saying that I didn't came, I didn't wrote, I didn't bought, something like these are wrong actually. Grammatically speaking, played is equal to did plus play. Did play becomes played. So, I played, I didn't play. You played, you didn't play. Now, repeat it. I played, I didn't play. You played, you didn't play. We played, we didn't play. They played, they didn't play. He played, he didn't play. She played, she didn't play. You closed, you didn't close. I closed, I didn't close. We closed, we didn't close. They closed, they didn't close. We drove, we didn't drive. See, they hunted, they didn't hunt. He smiled, he didn't smile. There won't be any ed there. She sold, she did not sell. It tasted, it didn't taste. Like that, this pattern used with some of the model verbs I have given here like this. I come, I came, I didn't come. I attended, I didn't attend. Like this you have to practice. I come, do I come? I came, I didn't come. I attended, I didn't attend. I sang, I did not sing. I swam, I didn't swim. I advised, I didn't advise. I read, I read, I didn't read. I dug, I didn't dig. I didn't dig. I destroyed, I didn't destroy. We met, we didn't meet. He taught, he didn't teach. So, this type of action words, there are two types. I will be dealing with it and giving you more practice on that regular and irregular verbs. Let us talk about it later. So, practice now. One is that this pattern, one, then with that these two come. Knowing about the present tense pattern And how do we use in past tense? Past tense, again I repeat, we commit mistakes when we use did not plus the verb. We normally put a past tense verb after did not. In many cases we have observed it in error analysis. So, that you have to be careful, like I did not came, wrong, I did not come, I did not ate, wrong, I did not eat, I did not wrote, wrong, I did not write is correct, I did not draw is correct, I did not drew is wrong, I did not advised is wrong, I did not advise is correct, I brought, I did not bring, I did not brought is wrong, I did not bring. So, that when did come, did not come, you have to go for the present tense verb, that is present, past, past participle. We will touch about it later on. So, please practice with this structure the examples I have given. And for knowing about more of irregular verbs, you can see any good dictionary. In that you will have the regular, irregular and irregular verbs will be there. Then we will practice with that all the patterns. In the subsequent videos we will see that. So, we will this is the part 3rd we have talked about today. Then we will go to the part 4 in the next video. Thank you.